So it turns out there is a vectorizer that you can use for free in bulk, and it actually gets decent results. But let's test this together. So the website is vectorizer.com. I'll have the link to it down below as well. And you don't even need to register an account with this, which is really, really cool. And you can drag up to 20 images into here. So I'm doing this example with 20 designs, and let's see how long this takes. So it is a little bit of a wait right here. Is any of them finished? Yeah, there we go. So they're going one after another. They're quite quick as well, which is really cool for a free tool. So that took me less than a minute to vectorize 20 files, which is absolutely mind-blowing. But let's see how this compares to a paid tool like Vectorizer AI. So I'll download all of these right here and then run a few of these through Vectorizer and then pull them into Illustrator so we can kind of have them side by side. So let's look at this example. First, we've got nature is my happy place and a fox right here with some butterflies. Let's zoom into the free version. Some of the details right here get a little bit lost on the butterfly, but generally, if you look at this, it's actually pretty decent result. I'm quite impressed with this for a free upscaler. Some of the edges are a bit pointy right here, so they're not really rounded off, but it's a decent result. It's not bad. So side by side, if they're zoomed in, I think there's not too much of a difference. You probably can't tell any difference in the video. The only thing I can see is that the left looks a little bit smoother, which is probably because, yeah, Vectorizer, it makes the curves right here very, very smooth. And still, some of the details right here are not perfect, like with this butterfly. If we compare it, they are both a little bit wonky right there. But I think, you know, the slight details, the small details in this case are nicer because they are smooth curves, whereas on this side, they are all kind of jagged and pointy. Now, most people are going to notice that maybe in the print you'll have some small remnants of this design being less smooth, but generally I think this is a really, really good result considering it's free and it was that quick. But let's look at another example as well. So here we've got a design on a black background. Let's zoom into the free version again. First of all, the text, once again, you can see that it has some of these sharp edges right here, which you can't really tell if you zoomed out. I just think once it is printed, customers might see a difference there. Generally though, it's done an all right job again. I don't think it's bad. Some of the details I'm not the biggest fan of, like this flower right here, or well, this plant, I should say. This flower doesn't look the greatest if we compare that. I think Vectorize has done a little bit of a better job of converting those into vector files right here, and also the text is smoother again. So definitely by far the fastest and easiest way to do it is with this free version. You don't have to pay. It takes 1 minute to do 20 images. You don't even have to register an account. That's absolutely amazing. You can't really tell the difference zoomed out. So if you're on a budget, I would suggest using the free version. I don't think there's much wrong with it. If you want the best results, then I would go with Vectorizer.ai. And one benefit that Vectorizer has as well over this free version is it can actually help you remove the background color very, very easily, which I'll show you how to do in this video right here.